This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from Taiwan. Do you wanna? I know Taiwan, ha ha ha. This one is from, what are they called? This one is from Kung Fu Noodles of Taiwan, and this is a premium black sesame oil with mashed ginger. The first time I looked at this, I thought it said smashed ginger. I was like, smash! But actually, this is mashed ginger. See? Mashed. So, we're gonna get this going. 2.5 minutes on the boil, a drain, and a stir, and we are golden, ladies and gentlemen. How's your day going? I hope it's going copiously well, excellent and wonderful, and full of good things, enjoyment, and you're able to open your noodle packaging easily. And your children are getting along. I hope your children are getting along. Are your children getting along? Are my children getting along? Jury's out on that still. This is a dry noodle block. Guan Miao from Taiwan. Sun-dried. Probably sun-dried. Or air-dried. One or the other. This is going to go in for 2.5 minutes. Boom. This is not a food. This is desiccant. Oh, it's time to tell the story. So, yeah, those little sachets, they make sure that dry things stay dry, right? Well, one year I decided to do a, what do you call it? An April Fool's post. And I was like, did this whole spread. I started collecting, I came up with the idea early in the year, and I came up with the idea that I would like say, I'm done with ramen, I'm gonna do reviews of silica gel / desiccant sachets. And apparently I was convincing enough with it that people were like, wow, it's been real, you know, and people were like, are you serious? Oh, it's April Fool's Day. I'm like, no, actually in Asia, it's April 2nd. I wouldn't do that. They're like, oh wow, he's serious. I'm like, oh no. I got a bunch of messages like, bro, really? Wow, this is great, good for you. Like, no. Really? Rating the quality of desiccant sachets? Just not my thing. It ain't my bag. Anyway, quote of the day from Momofuku Ando Speaks. These are quotations from the guy who invented the instant noodle. And let you know, he was originally from Taiwan and moved to Japan. Taiwanese are particularly proud of that fact. Let's see, number 18. In launching my business, I had no thought of making money. The only thing I had thought about was how I could work towards making the world a brighter place. Brighter place? Yeah, brighter place. But he made instant noodles, not light bulbs. I don't know. Go figure. So I am thrilled. The situation with the downstairs neighbor is wonderful now. Just got to be quiet before 10 a.m. and after 7 p.m. And we're generally quiet. It's those ruckus raising little rugrats out there that I gotta watch out for, but we did pretty good today. They're going to get a prize for being good, and I like giving out good prizes. So, good God. Okay, let's drain this beast. Now, usually I drain things a little bit more. I let them sit and go, But this time I'm not, because what you're supposed to do is mix this sachet with 20 mils of water. So I'm gonna do it quick enough, and I'm sure that's about all I got in there. Let me look. And yeah, So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put this right in, stir it up, and figure that's a good go. God, what movie is that? Blue Velvet. Have you guys seen Blue Velvet? It's quite a film. If you haven't seen Blue Velvet, I highly recommend it. Dennis Hopper. Big fan. That guy puts the K in crazy when he's playing Frank. That's for sure. Yeah, if you haven't seen that, I won't even. And if you have, I won't even. I don't think that's. I think that's NSFW territory. Stir, stir, stir. Thin guan miao noodle. So yeah, black. What is it? Black sesame oil with mashed ginger. That sounds good. It sounds very tangy, very piquant, if you will. I know. There's gonna be all you silly people complaining that I'm using a fork. Actually, somebody the other day wasn't complaining. They were applauding my fork usage, and they said I twirled a fork like an Italian. I'm like, okay, that's fine. Oh. Come on. I think I got. Get off of my fork. It'd be harder to get off if it were chopsticks. That's what I'm gonna say. I definitely smell the ginger. I don't know that I've ever had black sesame oil before, but I'm guessing I'm smelling that as well. Premium noodle here from Taiwan by Kung Fu Noodles, ladies and gentlemen. So let's twirl. I like that. That's quite good. Dare I say, yummy. The noodle's light. Thin. Good mouthfeel on it. This is something to be proud of. And it's very delicious. Oh my. See, I'm doing 3 varieties today. You'll see them, the other 2, in the following 2 episodes after this. And I am particularly keen on Taiwanese instant noodles, so this may be a 5-star day. What happened to the music? There we go. And there we go. I'm going to use some chicken. Ginger and chicken. Doesn't that sound nice? I hope so. That's what I'm doing. There's our chicken. Time for a holy slicer. the control with that thing. But now it's like, that stuff like flew out of the bowl all over the place, so I don't know. I think I need to rethink my technique a little bit. Speaking of technique, I got some recommended to do for these, my wonderful eggs that my wife does up for me. Thank you as always to the beautiful and wonderful kit. Says what we used to do in the ramen shop, and this is like perfectly logical and wonderful. We take a piece of fishing line and tie it to something and do it up that way. I'm like, yes, yes. You know what I'm doing today? I'm gonna buy me some fishing line. Thank you to dude I was just chatting with, and I can't remember your name, in Baltimore. Been a fan of the show. I don't know about the show, but he's been following my blog for a really long time. Right there. And I think we are good. So yeah, Kung Fu, mashed ginger, and what do you call it? Black Sesame. Come on. Behave. All right. Rotate, rotato. That's all I got for this one. Thanks to the folks over at Kung Fu Noodles down in Taiwan for shooting this over. Tomorrow, we're gonna have this one. This is from Little Couple's Dry Noodle of Taiwan. And this is their chicken rice flavor dry noodle. So, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.